So we're starting recording. So you look at here. If I have a computer on my own, so then I have a laptop or a desktop or a server, I can monitor my PC's things, right? So I can monitor my process monitoring, performance monitoring, application monitoring, network monitoring, service monitoring, like that. I can able to monitor my system, right? So how to monitor? By using certain tools. For example, by default tools like a task manager, resource monitor. Of course, there is some other type of monitoring also there. You can also go to mgmp.ms. So you can go to computer management. Mm, you can go to performance. So this is what I'm missing previously. See, performance monitoring. So monitoring tools, performance monitor. So completely, you can collect the data in for your PC. You can collect the data in your PC, and also you can create your reports and forward the reports to the particular related organization or things. Okay, or for analysis, you can able to do it. Okay, system diagnostic. There's some performance, event trace session, like that one. You can create your own data collection set from here, and also you can manage it. So you can see this is the plus mark. Which one you want to add it? Like you want to add a processor, RAM, particular application, or a particular service kind of stuff. Also you can add it. You can monitor it. Okay, so that is also there. Performance monitor. You can open in a computer management. Okay. Again, so as we seen earlier, so either you monitor your process from task manager, or a performance of your CPU RAM. Okay, resource monitoring, and okay, 1 second. Okay, sorry. I continuously got heavy hiccups. Okay, guys. So you can collect the data and analyze the performance of your system in your computer. Now the question is, that is my computer, I can monitor very easily, but in my network I have a lot of computers. Desktops are there, laptops are there, servers are there. Okay, so okay, in my organization I have a lot of computers are there. Okay, computers are there, routers are there, switches are there, servers are there. Okay, storage devices are there, database servers are there, like so different set of servers are there. So what to do? Very easy way. So better. What to do, guys? Tell me. can I go to each and every PC? Can I go to each and every PC and monitor each and every PC continuously? How it is possible? Like there is a user sitting on a computer, and there is a monitoring person, like a service desk or a monitoring person, also sitting this side and also monitor this computer parallelly. So is it possible? Okay, maybe for example 5 computers, 10 computers, you can see how it is working. If it is a 50 computers, 100 computers, 200 computers, is it possible to view the system's performance, on or off condition, network performance or a network utilization, like that, applications, process, services, startups? Is it, can we monitor 100 computers by going to each and every computer? Tell me.
Not possible.
Then what is the solution? What is your solution?
Maybe there is a centralized monitor.
There is a,
Centralized monitoring.
very good, very good. That's it. So what is the solution? If you cannot go to individual one, so what to do? Very simple, is centralized monitoring. Okay, so either you buy logically, you can build a logical diagram. I will put it. So what I am doing is I put a machine, so that monitors all the devices. So all the devices will send and receive information from centralized monitor. These PCs can be a normal computers, right? Say normal PCs, or maybe a server, or maybe a database servers, or it can be a storage servers like a NAS, or it can be a SAN, or it can be a router, or it can be a switches, okay, or it can be a Windows or Linux kind of stuff, laptops, okay, Wi-Fi routers, wireless access points, okay, Wi-Fi routers, anything, any kind of devices. So it depends upon the device and monitoring part, but whatever it is, I connect from centralized computer. So this computer contains an application. So what it is contains a centralized application. So for your personal computer or a personal device, you have a inbuilt tools, or maybe you install some application to monitor, right? So like you can take a backup of a system directly, or maybe you can use a application to take a backup, or maybe you can use a centralized backup, right? So what I'm trying to do is, I have an application. Using this application, I can monitor all my devices from single window. What is the advantage is, admin no need to go to each and every PC to monitor, right? And every PC's, their information will available on the centralized computer only. Okay, that is centralized from one single system. You can able to see all the systems performance, or a connectivity, or a anything. So what you are monitoring, that is values you can able to see on my screen. Next, there is a alerting system. Alert. What is a alert? Okay, there is a alerting system. What is this alert? Alert means notification, right? So like I got a message, so it's alerting system. Yeah, I have this one also. You see, my PC C drive is full. See, look at this one. It is a morning. It is having 13 GB. Now it has become a 4 GB because I downloaded Windows 10 in my PC. So then obviously it is showing like this. Okay. So thing is, this is my system, it is showing alert, red color. That's why this system is slow. Okay, red color. Red color means hard disk is full. Okay, if in case hard disk is completely full, 100% utilized, not even a 1 GB is also left, 100%. Also, it generates alerts, warnings, errors. Okay, error is in red color, warning is in yellow color, warnings, errors. Okay, warnings, error, or informations. Okay, information. Okay, so this is like this. This is the I for information and exclamatory mark for a warning, like this. Okay, cross mark for a alert, right? So these are a different type of alerts it will generate. For example, a particular device, this device, for example, is full busy, completely CPU 100% utilization, memory 100% utilization, full busy PC, full hardware utilization. Immediately it will send this particular PC is utilizing very use. Please take care of it. So immediately we can send a person, and this is utilizing more resources, more resources. Okay, or maybe router. There are maybe yeah. Okay, a router is not functioning properly. Router is down. Immediately I will get a alert. The router is down. The routing part is not working. Internet is down because the router is down. So immediately alert system came out. Okay. So for example, your database server, lot of data is inserting. So your database server become busy. Not 100% utilization, like a 80% utilization. It crosses 80% utilization. Immediately it will send a warnings. Okay. So like that, a centralized system will monitor all my infrastructure. I think last class, so last Saturday, we discussed about what is infrastructure, right? Servers, blade servers, tower servers, SAN storage devices, backup storage devices, routers, switches, cables, NICs, like that. So we discussed about a infrastructure, right? Same thing. I can monitor entire infrastructure. I can monitor individual system performance. I can monitor network performance, application monitors, web server monitor, database monitoring. Okay, service related monitoring is there. So instead of going to each and every PC, you can sit in one place and happily look at the system. Anything like a warnings or a errors are generated by alerting system, you have to respond very quickly. Very dangerous one is, anyway, first danger is error. Error means some exception is happened, something is down. Okay, system is down, server is down. Okay, that is. Next one is warning. If you take care of things in a warning level only, then it is you can easily fix. If you fix the things at a warning level, you won't get a red color. Okay, you won't get it won't turn into red color. Okay, if you got something at yellow color, okay, it won't turn into the red color. If you don't take care of the yellow color, it may get in a red color also. So be careful. So what you get it. Okay. Of course, blue color is ignoring type, means it is a successful events. Blue is a successful events. Okay, transactions completed successful. Device working successful event. Login successful. Login successful. That is information. Warning. Information. Warning. And error or exception. You can say error or exception. Okay, something like error kind of stuff. It's error or a exception kind of stuff. It is so generated by alerting system. Okay, so what are these things? Again, it is events will be generated. So what it will be generates? So in this monitoring system, it keep generating events. What are these things? Also, we can say these are all events. What is event, guys? I send a message. Message sent. Event. Successful. Successful event. Message sent failed. Message sent failed. Failed event. Okay, it is failed. Pending. Or maybe when I sending a message, very old mobile phone, when I sending a mail or a message, when I'm sending a message, it's saying your message box is full. We cannot send a message. So delete the previous messages. So then only I can able to send it. So it is a event can be a informational like a successful event or failed event or a warning level events also. Okay, so you're monitoring while you are monitor, so means you're observing things, and when you are observing, issues will be happens, something will occur. So when it is occurring, so that we can consider that one as any detectable occurrence. Any detectable occurrence happen, so that we call it as a event. Yeah, I have a one something is there now. So 1 second, guys. Don't worry. Yes. I am telling same thing. Okay, which we discussed these things. Okay, I already have forward something to you. So then also see what is an event? Any detectable occurrence that significance for the infrastructure management. What are the events? I said event is information, warning, and error or exception. Okay, so most of the information is like a successful event. Okay, successful or okay or online connected. Okay, connected. So this kind of things you will get it. Disk online, internet is online, now you are online. Okay, so that is information type. Next, warning type. Warning means what happened, disk full or about to full. By example, I think you can get about to full. Okay, disk full, about to full. Okay, server busy, server busy. Okay, server is online, now server is busy, server is busy. Network slow, network is slow because of collisions, number of collisions occur. Okay, so number of collisions occur. Okay, application loading slow, application loading. Okay, time taken for application loading. Okay, so application loading. What I'm trying to say is the best example for a warning is disk full, memory full, memory full. Okay, when I use my okay, Gmail is also okay. Google Drive, just I close that one, right? So that's Google Drive. So look at this Google Drive. Okay. So when I go to my Gmail or a Google Drive, so you can see my exception kind of stuff. Yeah, so go to bottom, see it is a 9.6 GB out of 15 GB used. It is okay going on. For example, if I reach up to 14 GB, so what happened? 14 GB reached disk full, right? So that is a warning. Okay, or a server busy, slow application loading. Okay, so be careful, server is slow, I like that. Okay, in a RAID disk failure, single disk failure in a RAID, that is also warning. Exception, server failed, all failed in things, failed usually, failed or down. Words are used like this: a failed or a down. Okay, a disconnected, offline, or is in offline, disconnected, failed or down, network down. Okay, you can put anything: network down, network failure, network is disconnected, network is offline, disk is offline, disk is online. Okay, so like this, guys, understand exception, or you need to elaborate anything? Yeah, you have a bike, think like
Understand.
this. Yeah, full petrol is there. Last time I went to put a petrol in it, so right, so that's I give an example. Okay, so tank full, good, right? So it's a tank full event, successful event, money given, you got a full tank of a petrol, that's a good one. Okay, warning, so your needle will shows at a red color, right? So error, like a empty symbol. So what it is, off tank it is showing no volume, but when it is go to empty part, then you have to take an action. No petrol, bike is not starting, there is some issue, that is called a error or a exception. There are a lot of different events also there. Okay, you can go through that video I shared. Okay. Next, also I'm telling alerting, guys. These are very important in a ITL. Different type of things are there, guys. Another thing, it is a service desk related. It is non-service desk. This is a development, non-development. Everybody is working in the IT organization. The 90% of the people only doing supporting. It is can be a network support, or desktop support, or application support, or database support, all open source kind of stuff. Everything is openly look at, right. Even though you are a developer, you should know what is going on, what is the errors it is showing on, what is the errors you have to fix it. So everything is single point only. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say is events, alerts, like so we should know the definitions compulsory, guys. You have to tell the definition at the time of interview, and as well as it is very important in your working location. That's why I'm telling. Okay, alerting means warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed or failed. It means threshold has been reached means warnings, failed means errors. So when event is occur, any detectable occurrence, that significance of IT infrastructure management, any important, like anything is happened, so event will be generated. You insert a disk, disk is connected, event, disk is failure, disk is failure, that is also a event, disk is full, that is also event. Okay, so that is what I am saying, event. Alert, disk failure, a disk full, immediate alert is generated in a central monitoring systems. Okay, that is event and alerts.
Sir, threshold means error, sir.
Threshold means level. Like I have a tank. Okay, so I have a tank. So I put some water. It is like it is full. So I said when it is reaches 80%, tell me. So what it is meaning? Threshold. It's a level. Okay, level, number of collisions, busy or a traffic. Okay, so normally morning 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, road is free. It is like a freeway only. But come to 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, traffic full, right? So like that, it is 100% full, 80% full, like a threshold. So when you reach traffic reaches 70 to 80% traffic is full, open another line. So like that, threshold means it's a level. I think you understand. If I explain more, you will get confused. So threshold means level. Okay. So disk level.
Okay.
Okay. Server service level, like CPU. See, it is 54, 40% no volume. Think it is 60%, 80%, 90%. It reaches the threshold. That certain threshold reaches, immediately send a warning. Okay. Immediately send a warning. Failed, disk failed, or server down, network down, like that. It is errors. Okay. Yeah. So while I'm telling this one, so I explained two parts in your. Actually, I have to take these things in yesterday, means last class only. But I feel it is good to today. Okay. Okay. I'm not. I will tell this incident and volume kind of stuff. But now just I'll give you one small pause. Guys, understand central monitoring system, event and alerts.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I want to do is, instead of continuing different applications in the central monitoring system, I will tell, so I don't skip it. So what happen if a incident is occur, means what is that incident and how the administrator or a service desk people know the incident is occur. Okay, how they will know it, and then what are the things we have to take care. So that is I will explain. So then that part will be completed. Then we'll go to different applications for managing that incident and volumes and also monitoring. Both the things you have to separately take it. Okay, so whole focus, you understand the central monitoring system, monitoring applications, and then event and alert. So now what happens? So what is something is happened, then how to react, right? That is the thing. For example, here server is down. I have written like this, server is down in a red mark, right? Server is down. Now that is first one. So how to notify something is happened? First of all, you must know something is happened means how to get to know that one. So that is very important, right? So server is down. Immediately it send a alert system. So server is down. Immediately the people person is in the monitoring system understand, okay, server is down. So whatever it is happen, either it is server problem or network problem, it is server is down. What this guy will do? What this guy will do? He send information to a service desk. Okay, either it is a service desk application or a service desk person. Through some, they're having a ticketing system is there. So like a WhatsApp gold kind of stuff. Okay, we have a WhatsApp for communicating, but there is a certain application like a WhatsApp gold is there. It is a very old one, older than our WhatsApp kind of stuff. So it's a WhatsApp gold. Okay, so not only this application, there is a several applications are there. In generally, any issues occur, the central monitoring people or automation alerting system is there. Means if something is happened, immediately send that information to service desk people. Service desk in the different levels of service desk people are there. So they will check what happened to your server. They will check it, what happened to your server. Okay, then immediately they forward this information to technical team. They will forward this information to technical team. When they are telling that information to technical team, they said it is a incident. A incident is occur. They'll tell there is a incident is occurred, which is belongs to that particular server is down. Okay, immediately. First of all, you got a message, right? You got a offer letter. Congratulations. This is the offer letter, right? Congratulations. Or welcome to Cognizant. Welcome to Savantis. This is the new offer letter for you. Like it. So that's the subject is there, na? In the subject itself, we can understand what is happening. Like, is it an offer letter or a reception letter, or maybe it can be some promotion letter. By subject itself, it is indicates, right? So same thing is by understanding the person who is in the technical team understand it is an incident. Incident means there is a problem. Okay, there is some issue, and he opened the issue. He opened that the information. So you open that incident. In that one, I've written server is down. I've written the server is down. So finally, this guy got information incident, right? So what he will do? They will either from their system or a person will go to that system. So a person will go to here, or maybe they'll verify from here, or person will go to this and check it. Why system is down? Is a system problem, network problem, or a disk problem, or maybe operating system failure or hardware failure? So he will verify what happened, and he will inform to the team, or maybe his senior or a team leader. So sir, this is the issue. The problem is occur. So okay, he said okay, you can fix it, and he will do fix the issue and verify whether it is working or not. So once it is, make sure it is working, then he will inform. Once it is informed, the service desk. Okay, now it is working. And of course, by central monitoring system also understand this is working. So that is called a closure. Guys, I will tell again that service desk life cycle part, but now we can try to look at here. This is one part of incident management. So one part, this means like a small understanding level only. Okay, look at here. First of all, something is happened. Something is happened. Either it is a warning or a exception is occur, and the central monitoring system is by no, it is understand there is a issue is occur. They inform to the service desk automatically. There is a softwares are there. Automatically they forward this issue to the service desk. Service desk people look into it and try to understand or send a particular team. So this is an issue. Either you fix from your side, or you can go send a person to fix the issue. Once issue is fixed, and technical people or a technical management people inform to service desk, issue is solved. Issue is solved. Okay, so like now here it is. When something is happened, when issue is occur, service desk people inform to the technical team as it is a incident is occur. As it is incident is occur. What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT service called a incident. An unplanned interruption to the IT service is called a incident. So what is an incident? Unplanned interruptions. All of the sudden server is down. So I will tell some examples also. We can see. Then based on that you can understand. Server down. Disk failed. Disk failed. Server down. Disk failed. Service down. Internet is down. Okay. System not working, or not booting. Okay, not working, not booting. some systems not getting internet. Some systems, there is a few systems are there, like a 10 computers are there, they're not getting internet. Okay, so something like they are not getting internet. Okay, Outlook. And receive mails not working with Outlook application. Okay, a lot of things are there. VPN not connecting. Disconnection of VPN. Okay, also you can say internet. Okay, or a printer, remote desktop, or anything, so many things, VPN, internet, remote desktop. Okay, like this. Guys, understand what is the incident now? Something has happened, something failed happened. Okay, you know, we have a lot of bad, very good friends which always carry a bad news. Okay, so we can tell them when he came, incident is came. Okay, so you can tell like even a friend is came, he is always carrying a bad news. So when he came to your home or when you are meeting, so tell me some incident. So you can write down and you can tell in that interview. Yes, understand incident, unplanned interruption.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what to do if incident is happen? So as I said, a incident is happened. What to do? You have to fix. Information forwarded. I got what incident is occur. That information is received. Information is received here. Then what is this guy will do? Fix it. Fix it. That we call it as a workaround. Fix the issues as soon as it is occur. So what is a fixes issues? Okay, fixes issues. Workaround means temporary way of overcome issues. Any incident is occur, you have to do workaround. Workaround means not just around. You have to you know what is Hindi word is there. English word is I am not getting like roaming around. Roaming around. So what is the issue? Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Today I am not feeling well. Tomorrow my girlfriend is not feeling well. But the day after tomorrow my boyfriend is not well. So we'll see. Work around means you have to go roaming around. That is not one, guys. Work around means fix issues as soon as possible. Possible does not mean less word, guys. Possible means immediate. As soon as it is occur, reduce impact on IT services. So if you do fix immediately, okay, when it is occur, immediately go and fix it. Once you do it, impact is there. Impact is another very important word, guys. So impact is also very important. Why? Because of think like this, internet is not working for one person. For example, we are there, I don't know, so I'm keep telling. So okay, Bharat is there. So Bharat got a internet is disconnected. So how many people get a problem? Only Bharat
Only
only,
one.
because Bharat only cannot able to attend the class, right? If I am not able to get the internet, so my internet is disconnected. So how many people will suffer? Me and as well as you also. Of course, you don't suffer. You feel very happy, but class will be disturbed, right? So again postpone. Again we have to go with the next day. Next day won't maybe managed properly. Like this, no? The impact. Impact means if one system got a problem, maybe it is not depends upon any other system. Think a switch is damaged. A wire is damaged, one system. A switch is damaged, big problem. There is a connection from other switch to my switch, other switch to my switch, and the wire is damaged. I said one time wire is damaged, but it is maybe affected on one system. This time one wire is damaged and multiple systems are connected to a switch and it is connected to a wire and the wire is connected to router. The main main wire is damaged. So that's like if I don't solve the problem, that kind of stuff, it is not good, right? So like I will show you that one. So see, simply here it is. I'll open another paint. So look at here. So this is my some internet or router switch is connected outside. Look at this is my switch, and I have a computers or devices, what a router kind of stuff. I have a devices connected. Okay. See the seriousness or impact like that. See, look at here. I said there is a wire problem. This wire is damaged. Who will get a problem? One system. If this wire is damaged, who will get a problem? All will get problem. See, that's both the time it is a wire problem only, but in a both the time impact is different. In a both the times impact is different. Problem is same, but impact is different. Understand, guys? Impact. Okay,
Yes,
it
sir.
reduces impact in a. Okay, very good. So incident this occurs immediately, solve the problem. Sometimes it is very lighter issue. Sometimes it is big issues. Okay, it reduces the impact. Okay, act based on priority. Okay, act based on priority. Some issues are very high priority. Some are low priority. BD check your spelling. Okay, high, very high priority. Even though impact is also like that, low impact, high impact, very high impact kind of stuff. Priorities, urgency, urgency, impact, priority, urgency. These are the very important words in the um, issues solving and problem, right? You know, even the coding also. I've seen Jira is always shows errors only. Okay, I generated a program and I tested it. Test failure. What Jira will do? So fail test. This is the test failure. It is put it in everybody's face. Jira. So go to Jira. Also, it's a very funny thing. You can just try in a YouTube or a pictures. You can also try. Okay. So then you will understand this easily. Okay, guys. Now this also priorities urgencies to deal with the problem. So that is incident. Incident means unplanned interruption. Anything is failed, so immediately you have to go and fix it. Okay. So immediately go and fix it. Fixes the issues as soon as it is occur. Reduce the impact on the services and other services. Sometimes one service lead to another service, other services too. Okay, and it is act based on priorities. 1 second, guys. Now this much of headaches. Okay. Guys, understand this one, right? So incident. Guys, one more important. Anything happens means server down, service down, anything is happens is incident only. There is no problems. Problems won't occur directly. Problems won't occur directly. Okay. Problems won't occur directly. Okay. I am continuing from the incident part. Why? Because of I told only one story here, but this is not a full story. I have to tell about service desk. Then only I have to tell the full story of incidents and problem kind of stuff. But anyway, I told incident. You guys understand incident, and problem is very easy. Unknown root cause of one or more incident. So very simple. It is an incident. It is always occurs incident only. Never problem never occurs. No one will complain to you. There is a problem is occurred. The people will speak anything, no problem. But problem is like a service desk in the service desk or a non-service desk. Okay, in a technical team or a development team, they never say that is a problem. That problem is occurred. Problem never occurs. Incident will occur when a incident okay and we go and fix it. When incident occurs, we go and fix. Sometimes the incidents again and again, then we consider incident the incident as problem. Understand? Incident is occurring like for example, I will tell you have a bike, you are going on somewhere. Something a bike is suddenly stop working. Bike is stop suddenly working. What is that called? Incident. Incident is occur. You take the bike into a mechanic shop. He fixed the issue. He fixed it. Now working. Again, you start going. Again after 2 days, same issues occur. Same issues occur. Again you took the bike to mechanical shop. Again he fixed it. Again he fixed it. Again you after 2-3 days, again you got the issue. Okay. Again you got the issue. So what is that thing? Again you don't go to the simple fixes. What we'll go to? Permanent fixes. We'll go to permanent fixes. So that is called a problem. Problem management dealing with a permanent solution, not a temporary solutions. This problem management. So this is the problem, but when you go to problem management, deals deals with permanent solution, not temporary workarounds. Not a temporary workarounds. We are dealing with the permanent solutions. Next, sometimes an incident is occur. Incident is occur but we don't know root cause of incident. Incident or incidents. Incident or incidents. So it no need to be repeated incident. Either it is one incident or a multiple incident. So we don't understand what is happening. Then also we have to consider as a incident management. Okay. Next, permanent solution. It means once solution made, less or no incidents occurs. Okay, no incidents means incident means that particular incident, not all incidents. Okay, so don't say particular incidents. May require to change required to change for for solving issue. Permanent solution also required a change management. For example, I will tell one example very simple. I have a some loose connection, hard disk loose connection. You know that is happened always in our Pune office. Okay, so what is the hard disk loose connection? Our guys usually not guys, it's only girls only there. Okay, mostly Pune is crowded with girls only. So what these people will do, they got a little bit angry when they got some calls or text. So they'll kick my computers. So what happened? The computer already that hard disk or old computers that hard disk lose connection. So that is disconnected. And they just said, sir, it is disconnected. They don't know what is happened. So sir, system is not working. It is showing some error. Again, I have to open the cabinet and reconnect it back, and now it is working. So it will occur almost like twice a week, 2 times in a week at least it will happen. The people will kick our computer, and by disconnection it automatically disconnected, and again I have to open and connect it. So think, if same situation happens in different location, I have to travel, I have to fix the issues. How much cost will occur? How much trouble on each and every person, each trouble technician, and as well as customer, technician, service provider, service users. So cost, burden, and impact is become more. So if a incident is occurring again and again, so what to do? What to do? Consider that one as a problem. In a problem management, first permanent solution, less number of significant events. Significant events means same kind of events will be less, reduced. It may require change. What to change? I change my cable. I remove the cable and I put another new cable in it. Now cable problem solved. And even though they kicked it, it won't occur that multiple times. Next, Charan sir, what he done? He fixed to that table, under table there is some supporting is there. So he put a full fixation. Means even though they try to move the table and all, so the cables inside that impact is very less on the individual computers. Impact inside damage will be very less. So two solutions made it automatically problem is solved. So we are not getting much that kind of issues. So that's guys, that is a problem management. Incident management means anything is occur, it is an incident management. Immediately go and fix it. If incident is occurring multiple times and we don't know why it is occur, in both the cases we consider that incident as a problem. We consider the incident as a problem. The problem management, we made a permanent solution, not temporary work arounds, not temporary workarounds. We made a permanent solutions. So because of the permanent solution, the incident won't occur again and again and again. Okay, number of instances reduce. No incident occurs, like the number of instances reduces. Okay, may require a change. So what is this change? Okay, what is this change? Having so many things, guys. Change is having so many things, like a change request for a change. Okay, change or a request for a change, modification to infrastructure, update and upgrade, replace. So this is okay. This is my change management. So what is the change management? So it is a change or a request for change will occur. Meaning is, for example, okay, for example, I want to change my user's password. That is also comes under change. Okay, upgrade, upgrade my laptop, right? Or a server or a router. Okay, upgradation. In upgradation, anything can be there, like RAM upgradation, okay, software upgradation, and maybe a CPU upgradation, this connections, network connections, like anything. So you can use different type of upgradations, updates, software updates, okay, right? Updates and upgrades, or upgrades. Very important, guys. Sai sir told one story. It has happened when he is working in a brigade corporation. So what happened? One of his junior is updated antivirus. Means, you know, antivirus server is there. We not unlike us, we have individual PCs having individual antiviruses, but in our organization they have a centralized antivirus server is there. So he updated antivirus server. When he's updating, he didn't told to anyone, just he updated. So what happened, after update, the connection means they have to connect it to US based computer, right? US based servers, they are disconnecting. Okay, calls are not going, communication is stopped. So what happened? Obviously, why it is not occurring? So they investigating in reverse side. Then the guys just updated his antivirus. Okay, so when you are update, so what are the things you can able to do? Okay, replacing, replace faulty, faulty items, like RAM is not working, you replace. CPU is not working, you replace. Disk is not working, replace. Server is not working, you replace. Cable is not working, you replace. Okay, like this. It can be a change of username, or a change of a password, or modification of infrastructure, update and upgrade of your infrastructure kind of stuff. So many things will comes under change also. Like I said, just a cable I change, problem is solved, right? So like this. Sometimes updates and upgrades, like my laptop I want to upgrade, it is required a lot of things, normal changes, emergency changes. Normal changes, emergency changes. Sometimes I want to add extra RAM, so then it is a normal change because based on my budget. Emergency change. suddenly my server RAM is not working. My server RAM is not working. Remove immediately and reinsert it. So like that. Okay. Tab. Change advisory board. Next. When you remember guys, when you need to change or required to change, okay, take advice and permission from authorized authority. Okay, from authority means cab. That is a advisory board. So authority means like your system admin, network admin kind of stuff. Means once change is important, test change dependent changes to. Okay, test change, check the dependent changes. Next, report or document changes after you made every change. Okay, so compulsory you have to report it, guys. That is very important in the change management. The last one in this pro is only service request. But up to now, I told some other story, right? So that is complete stories only. Last is service request. Service request is like already I told change management service request. Small additions are there, guys. For example, you want to change your password. You are asking information or a permission access, permission to access storage, for example, or a printer or email, okay, VPN, okay, you're accessing permissions, okay, like that. So request for a service request, you are asking information, you are asking. Another example I will tell, for example, mine is 50 Mbps internet speed. This is a one scenario, 50 Mbps internet speed. Okay, now I want to upgrade to 100 Mbps. So there is a lot of dependencies there. First one it is change. First one it is, understand, it is a change, not it's a change. And change, and also it is service request. I am requesting a service 100 Mbps internet service requesting. Now it may dependent maybe billing, okay, bill you have to pay some amount, right? So you have to pay some billing amount, dependent depends on the billing amount. Second one is my router. Next one is my devices. Okay, my devices. What are the effect? It do by changing one thing, it leaded to maybe it is changes occurs on my billing, my router. Maybe I have to change my router. I have to change my devices like a laptop, desktop kind of stuff, access devices, laptops, desktop kind of stuff. switches, like that. It is dependency changes are there. So this one lead to another one. So change management and like this. Okay, so changes occurs, but you have to check the dependency factors. Next, it is a service request, and service request first is like a how much cost. When will I get? When will I get? So I have to, I requested now, when I will get it. That's also information. How much cost? When will I get it? Okay. I need. So when I need necessity kind of stuff, possibility kind of stuff. These are a lot of questions. Okay. So we'll put a information, request, payments. You're paying a bill. Bill payment is also service request. It is also service request. Okay. So guys, these are the very important parts in a service operations. Actually, we started to understand the centralized monitoring system, but in a centralized monitoring system, things we seen what is the event alerts. So from the event and alert, so based on that, we can able to understand what is the incident is, how to understand the incident is occurred. So from the incident, okay, so how to solve the incident problem when it is occurred. So what is the impact of that event? Understand, and then how to solve it. Next, how to consider incident as a problem. When you are consider incident as a problem, that is problem management. And also we need a changes to solve the problems. That is change management related one. And also of course service requests, like you want to change or you want to upgrade or downgrade, or you want to transfer, you want to transfer. So all these things will comes under service request only. So again, I'm telling the important point in a change management is when you do any changes, before you change, you have to test the changes and you have to take a permission to change it. Once you change made it, you have to report. You have to report to the authorities, like who is your contact. So the based on that, you have to report or made a document. This is the change I made it. So then it is very easy for everybody to understand what changes are made. So like that. So this is about your very important things. Okay. Of course, centralized monitoring is still pending, and there is some link is there. From here to other link is also there, like a service desk link is also there. Um, Okay, so I will forward one document today. Then also go through the document for a centralized monitoring system. Different type of monitorings are there. Different names are there. Also, you can able to go through this one. That is first one. The second one is I will tell service desk now. Then I will stop. Okay. I think the process of service desk and what is service desk definitions I will give. Then I will stop now.